Well, hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day today, and I want to welcome you to the first ever MowDown ShowDown. I'm Pete, and this is the GCI Turf YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and share. Tell all your buddies. Tell every single person you know in the lawn care industry they need to be right here. And we're going to take these mowers and we're going to put them in real world situations by a real lawn care business owner, and we're going to see what they got. I want you to know that this is not a paid promotion. None of these brands out here that you see have paid me a dime. And no, I do not get to keep any of these mowers. What this series is going to do is we're going to highlight multiple brands. We have 13 of the biggest, baddest stand-on mowers on the market today. The intention and purpose behind this series is number one, to help you, small business, large business, in the lawn care industry, help you make up your mind and decide which mower fits your business the best. Number two, help small business dealerships. That's a big deal. These mowers are bought through dealer network. Therefore, you're supporting American families working hard to put food on the table for their families. Number three, support American manufacturing. Right there, baby, the red, white, and blue. Every single one of these mowers in this line right here are made with American hands. Moms and dads who get up, go to work, bust their tail in a day in and day out basis so that they can provide for their families. Support American manufacturing. And yeah, there's a little something in it for me too, okay? I'm about to buy another fleet of mowers from my company, so this is going to help me figure that out. I do understand that some of you may or may not have had a bad experience with one of these brand of mowers. I ask you, please be respectful in the comments. Remember, American hands build these mowers, and they take that income home and feed their family. So something you might say could potentially deter someone from buying something that they like, therefore taking away from that American family. Yeah, it might be an odd way of looking at it, but it's my way of looking at it. And I'm all about supporting the American family. This will not be a competition style review. There's not going to be a clear-cut winner. In my opinion, they're all winners. What this will be is a 10-point scoring system based on several categories. Talk about the first category. Which one of these mowers is bad to the bone? We're going to talk about aesthetics, how the mower looks, how the mower presents itself, and then we're going to talk about build quality. That's super important. How well are these machines built? And then we're going to go to the toolbox. Ease of maintenance. How easy are these machines to maintain? We're going to look at how easy it is to change the oil, service the hydros, changing the mower blades. If it falls under basic mower maintenance, we're going to look at it. Parts availability, that's a pretty tricky one. Okay, it'd be very difficult for me as one person to track all that down and find out if every single last part that goes on these mowers are available. That's where your dealer network comes in. That's where you need to be diligent and find that out for yourself through your local dealer. Next category, we're going to talk about Ingenuity. That's going to be everything from the control layout to the ergonomics, functionality, ease of use, height of cut adjustment, fuel tanks, and then we'll get into one of my favorites, battle of the blades. This is where we're going to look at the different height of cut ranges. What's the lowest the machine will mow? What's the highest the machine will mow? Is the height of cut accurate? What about cut quality? Who doesn't want a mower that cuts super clean? How well does it side discharge? And obviously, we're going to talk about stripes. The next category on the list, smooth operator. This is going to go over the comfort of the machine, the ride quality of the machine, and the next category, horsepower. Who doesn't like power? We're going to go over the hydraulics on the machine, the feel, the sensitivity, and the responsiveness. I am really excited to dig into this category. And the last official category, we're going to have a little fun with this non-scoring category, hold my sun drop. We're going to see which one of these machines have a cup holder and which one of these machines don't. Two more non-scoring categories. I'm calling it one word. I'm going to give you one word that best describes that particular mower based on my opinion. I'll give you the verdict, and I'll just give you a good, solid opinion on what I think about every single mower. Now, to keep this fair, so it's not just my opinion and my take, 3 of my crew leaders are going to take every single mower out for one day, and I'm going to sit down with each one of them and go through every category and let them score 1 to 10 as well. And that way we'll have 4 different people giving a score to each machine. So just so there's no favoritism that can be shown, my son drew names from the hat, and that's the order that you will see the individual mower videos in. Every single mower is going to get their own individual video, and we're going to go over every single one of these categories in detail. So I don't think anything like this has ever been done on any social media platform ever. It is an honor, a privilege. I am extremely humbled to be able to do this. So thank you to every single brand who trusted me to do this, the local dealers who were involved, territorial sales managers who were involved. Without you guys, this would never happen. So hey, like, subscribe, and share, and you better tell all your buddies. Every single person you know in the lawn care industry, you need to tell them to come check this out. It is going to be off the chain. So be looking for that first individual mower video to load. As soon as we go through all the mowers, we'll circle back around here to my house. We'll put all the mowers back in the yard, and we'll close up the series. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.